Welcome to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscriber button. Don't forget to like, comment, or share. Welcome back. It is what it is. Don't forget to smash that subscriber button, to like, to comment, and to share all our videos so that when we drop something, guys, you know you get that notification. So hit subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Yeah. So today I'm looking at this one now, guys. April is here. 1st of April, we know with the means radio when it changes in Ngamanda. So I'm not gonna jump into your Metro FM, KFM, and all that. I might have to do another video for that. But the main thing on this channel is like, but whenever I want to buy it, because you know, the channel is more about Venda, Chivenda, and all that. So I'm gonna talk about our radio in Abu Phalaphala. We know last year we had an issue, morning drive. Era wanori obona mtu wa jena akushuma na the big dude ane abuzofinga dzelo rindi vele ndi muthu ane TV ni wadiwe nga man pedzi oswika pedzi ukuti uri atuwe rodipfa mafungo adhiambiwa pedzi vatu vari mafungo ndio ri vukoni abuona chifenda chawa chingokuna. So looking at the morning drive now, I don't feel uri the big dude ila sho ukokone handle ayet. Mambele kwamba ngorando kwamba ngori he has to do the sport, he has to do the update. That show yanga machori itoda muthu na dovani na dzi opinion naye niko tatisana niko tenderana niko diamba kuva na dzi views to fambana nawo. I feel uri kela show zwino nga itiwa ndi mafhungo tori ba mu disele muṅwe muthu kana vhaṅwe vhathu vhane he's going to work with wakubona vha ḓo shumisana ila show uri usiko ni aluwa ya vha zwe khamisa vengazo ngori ora la yethe tshiṅwe tshifhinga ya zwipfho ri arana muṅwe muthu a fhethu ha mafhungo ano ni a ḓo na debate nyana a ḓo na nyambedzano ino pfala fhedzi ni wana uri u yeṱhe zwine zwa sia sometimes i tshi pfha nga ri i light man a i khou vha na tshileme tshine vhathu vha khou ḓa tshone ngo ralo. So I feel uri that's the show that need a little bit of adjustment, a little bit of there and there. I don't see the need yori vha nga mu remove avho ene. I feel uri you just need a partner, you know, you need a co-host, you need somebody. This sidekick, you know, you need to have a sidekick in your body. Secondly, afternoon drive, I don't see anything that needs to be changed there. The show is still doing great for me. I like the show. I love the show. Abanye nga machoroni hey ovua efemini hey amkwe nayo ai yamkwe nayo ndingabona uri vanga dili chane pale yorala aidzo yorala nayo ndipfori ndi show ine yakho ḓi to dzivha uri yo dzudzanyea. But one thing I want to say ndi zwa uri I feel uri hoti arina show ine yanga vori it's a top 20, top 10, top 30 ine ya vori specifically kha muzika wa hayani. Ndi kwamba muzika ya ndi kwamba show ine ya vori the expose talent ya hayani. We have Venerable 5, we do have that other show Numbers Number and all that, but I mean something solid ine ya dovha i khou tamba muzika wa hayani hu sa khou khetha upfhi ndi ufhio ndi ufhio minami u khou tambwa woṱhe wo ṱangana fhethu nthihi uri hu swike ndi ra pfha uri tshileme tsha muzika wa hayani wo dzulisani. I feel uri we need such show ine ya vori will give that impact no ṱuṱuwedza vhathu ngori yeah, we can have the show Numbers Zinami where we talk to one artist that it can still done on that show, but can we have something solid? I feel like if we can have something solid, the dedicator, cover and be whatever vendor, we a competition, cover and be a vendor, we have stats now. Come on. You can use the stats from YouTube, you can use the stats from Spotify, you can use the stats from Apple, Deza, and other platforms. You know, you can use those stats. If you feel that you need, and the rest, you can still do that. Just don't push over to Navaimbi, but be where we register Mzika. Because Mzika won't time we still happen. So it's something I feel like we might need to have maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, not just it was showing, like just be put there. Something that really define who we are as our vendor to represent. That's my say, that's my view. I'm not saying it's gonna be done. But another show, okay, I don't I don't know. I've seen people complaining about Gundo Gara, but I've never listened to it. So my kind of vibe. Then I'll go to It's a As I feel like they need more time, those shows. People need to learn a lot about who they are, you know. It's at the now means it, but we need to learn. Let's like Brody was the show yeah with the na more because if you, I feel Lori, they're not getting enough marketing. They're not being put out there. I think now you're gonna twist in Yana then there, come on. But the main two shows we were about to look at the show Hey Noni, the morning drive, the afternoon drive. Those two shows, yeah, one of the shows in that was strong. Hidaka Chico, Chico and Chico remain the same. The only thing is already but already just with the personal hash page. But that show now can remain the same. I don't really see any reshuffle that is really needed. Nangani nginga ngiyona yabona bochigi. I feel or na anga dzula can la show and run it unless if they can bring him to the morning drive. But that won't be able to work properly because now they're not the grade in one place. But it can still work. Babu mamsi baba bili, samusi bompo na chigi with the show. But I guess nabo raba na chigi the big dude. Nabo they can still do great on that show, like by two. They can do something like they can turn the morning drive into the greatest thing. I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell us. So that's just my view. I don't really have enough time, like I said, guys. It's kind of pretty hectic. So I'm just trying to tell time then there, drop a couple of videos. But yeah, from my side, guys, I feel like the morning drive must be left like that. It's just adjustment to when I'm going to time so what we are talking who's more replacement ya black I won't damn to the rotten pieces on our program manager. So I don't know what really happened as my phone. I don't want to generate never to the difference on it. I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Tell us your views. What do you think should happen in other shows netting with the main shared? What do you think? It was saying. Everyone shows in the third thought. The next thing that shebe right extended zing right it does I'm out of here.